With our extreme Texas weather, you need an HVAC company that you can trust, and the Air Repair Pros are proud to be one of the oldest residential and light commercial air conditioning and heating repair companies in the North Dallas area. Our new customers tell us that they picked us because we have almost 40 years of service to the North Dallas area. Many of our new customers are referred to us by one of the thousands of satisfied repeat customers that we have, or they read one of our many 5-star raving fan reviews on Google. You can trust the Air Repair Pros with your air conditioning and heating service needs. We guarantee your satisfaction or you get your money back. Because we're one of the largest air conditioning and heating companies in this area, we're able to provide you with the best available pricing, the fastest service, and our 100% satisfaction guarantee. Our services include repair of existing systems, preventative maintenance education tips, and the best new equipment installations when needed. We're available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we never charge extra for emergencies or for holidays. All you need to do is pick up your cell phone right now and call the Air Repair Pros to find out how we can help you be more comfortable in your home. Remember, we're not comfortable until you are. So call the Air Repair Pros right now. You'll be glad you did, I promise.